Hello, dear tutor and classmates. My name is Carmen Juliet Muñoz Gironza. I am 28 years old. I am an accounting assistant, but I currently work as a librarian in a public library located in the municipality of Rosas, Cauca. I live in a rural area located in the municipality of Rosas, Cauca, called the village of Cefiro. I am coursing the last semester of bachelor degree in English as a foreign language, and I'm so excited for being this course because I need to improve my pronunciation and speaking skills. Now I share with you the development of the step 1 and 2 of this activity. Step 1. What is the purpose of the course? The purpose of the course is strengthen foreign language, linguistic, sociolinguistic, and pragmatic competences through the accomplishment of oral production task is given sets of real-time interaction to communicate and discuss effectively about complex issues. How many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? In the syllabus of the course, we can find 4 outcomes. The first one, learning outcome 1, demonstrate oral skills to express fluently and spontaneously about different cultural subjects for social or academic purposes. The learning outcome 2, discuss about a controversial issue using pro or con arguments to convince a counterpart towards a specific point of view. Learning outcome 3. Interpret extended speech even when it is not clear structure and when relationships are only implied and not signed explicitly. Learning outcome 4. Describe complex subjects with clear and detailed information development, particular points of rounding off with an appropriate conclusion. 3. What are synchronic interaction activities? They are activities that happen at the same time for the instructor, or in this case the tutor, and the students. That is a real-time interaction between them. 4. How many activities does the course have? The course has 6 activities to develop. 5. Which activities in the course imply real-time interaction? In this course, the activities that imply real-time interaction are the 8 mandatory encounters, debating about controversial issues, speaking part of Cambridge C1, advancing and delivering a speech through a web conference system. 6. Summarize with your own words the course rules and conditions. Okay, in these points, as students of the UNAD, in this course we can find in the rules and conditions, it is requested not to plagiarize, comply with the general student regulations, make sure to know the requirements that the computer equipment that I use to develop the course must have when interacting with the tutors, and classmates will be guided by values such as respect, honesty, tolerance, and solidarity. Be aware of the course evaluation plan. Demonstrate my skills in English through weekly mandatory encounters, meetings that will be carried out through Skype, Teams, or Zoom. To those that I must attend punctuality, in addition to participating in debates, presentation of different tests, and delivery of webinars. As a student, I also have to keep the institutional mail working, keep my profile updated with contact information, use the institutional tools to keep in touch with my tutor and find out about updates and news about the course, attend web conferences or see its recording. For the activities of the course, it is necessary to have a B2 level according to the CFR. Finally, I have two objective test type evaluations. I must accept the use of a facial recognition tool. 7. Is your institutional email working properly? My institutional emails works properly, and I enter constantly to keep me informed of the news of the course. Now we can find the step 2. Reflection upon English language awareness. First one, have you got an English language level certification? If not, what do you consider your level is at present? According to the CAEIFR results, I have a B2 level. How did you get the level you have now? The level I currently have was obtained by studying, practicing on my own, and with help of teachers and tutors. I have used resources such as ICT tools and classes. Tier 1. Why are you studying English as a foreign language? Because since high school, I was my dream to be a teacher. Really was my dream. And learn a new language. I always liked the English language and I have considered a very useful language. And I also want to contribute to knowledge of the language from my own experience. Therefore, one, how is studying a language as an adult different from studying it as a child? From my personal experience, it is better to study English from a young age. Unfortunately, I didn't know have the opportunity to study English from primary school because we don't have teacher. Only from secondary school, and I will have liked to study the language from my childhood because the child's mind absorbs knowledge better and it's a more active and sensitive stage. 5. Question. How long should you study a foreign language? To have a better learning, I consider that it is necessary to study daily, practice pronunciation and listening exercise using application, music, reading, books, and using many resources dedicated at least half an hour a day. It's very important to strengthen all the skills in the idiom. 6th question. How can you make language learning a part of your life in the future? Being a teacher in constant training, keep learning and researching to improve my knowledge and provide better learning. The last question. How can you organize lifelong language learning? Language learning can be organized through life with great motivation, making use of the tools provided by technology like ICT, accessing language courses, making the language being learned part of every day in our activities, in the professional life, and using application, games, music, all the resources that we can find. Thank you for this is all for this time. See you later.